Again, lagi ko ito sinasabi, thank you kay Lord for guiding us the whole game. And then, syempre, ito rin yung isa sa mindset namin na kailangan makabawi lang sa pagkatalo namin last game. And yeah, good thing, naka-recover and panalo namin yung game. So, sobrang happy and syempre proud sa team. Kasi syempre, grabe yung effort na binigay nila kanina. So, thank you.
And for MJ, again, it's a good win heading into the crossover round. What can you say about how you performed today and the team's performance?
To be honest, I'm always hard to myself. I don't feel today it was my highest performance, but the most important thing that the team won, and this is a teamwork, and I try to help my team as much as I can. If it's not in the attack, maybe in the defense or receive, I try my best all the time.
Thank you, MJ. And for Jen, you had more playing time in this game. Ano lang din yung feeling na yun? Isa ka sa mga nakatulong sa team na makuha ng panalo.
Syempre thankful na nanalo una sa lahat and sumusunod lang din naman kami dun sa may game plan ng coaches and always ready lang naman ako. Yun lang naman yung sinasabi din palagi ng coaches na always ready kasi nga kapag mga ganyang dikdikan na din, syempre kailangan lahat ng second six mas malaki yung role namin kasi kami mag-fill in dun sa nawawala sa first six and yun nga nararamdaman ko yung tension kanina sa loob. So parang pinakalma ko na lang sila. Kahit yun lang muna, yun yung maitulong ko hanggang sa parang naging domino effect na. So, yun.
Thank you, Jen. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yung nagaling kayo nung first loss nyo nung nakaraan, paano nyo lang minotivate yung team para pabalik yung winning ways? Lalo na start to nung second round.
To be honest, hindi siya madali eh. Yung sa pagkatalo namin, syempre, sobrang off din kasi yung performance. And then, bukod sa ang ganda nung naging performance ng Akari, so, and until now, diba, 0 loss pa rin sila. So, parang sa amin, wala naman kaming kailangan gawing kakaiba. Siguro, una namin ginawa is yung accept lang kung ano yung nangyari. And part talaga kasi ng competition na, yan, sometimes ng talo, words, kailangan hanggat maaari may panalo namin yung game. But yeah, in-accept lang namin and siguro nag-move on kami dun sa next plan namin, which is yun, naging game plan namin for Farm Fresh. And knowing them din, hindi rin talaga magiging madali. Alam namin kung gaano katibay din yung floor defense nila and yung siyempre experience-wise, kahit mga bata, alam namin na magiging mature na rin sila maglaro. So, ang sa amin, mindset lang talaga. Kailangan may panalo namin tong game na to para lang makarecover. So,
MJ, do you have a particular aspect of your game that you are keen on really to improve or still needs work after round 1 or this game in particular? What particular aspect of your game do you think still needs some work?
Do you mean the team or myself?
For you?
For myself, definitely I have to work in my reception. I've been doing that. I try my best, and of course to finish more balls and to find this connection with the setter, and yes, trying to finish more balls.
And there's still a few games in the second round, but Signal is already or qualified for the playoffs already. So for you personally, how much are you looking forward to play, let's say, playoff volleyball again in the Philippines after being in a champion team as well a few years ago?
Again, can you repeat the question, sir?
How much are you looking forward to play in the playoffs for Signal this
Oh, this is game by game. We are working.
Each game.
Yes, each game. I'm not in a hurry, so we try to work in one game at a time, and yes, that's my mindset.
Coach, gano'n ka-importante na lang yung next 2 games nyo kasi pasok na kayo, pero yung positioning kasi importante na yan. Alam naman natin na mas mataas yung position mo, medyo mas may kaunti yung advantage or kung meron man din sa makakalaro mo sa lockout or paano.
For us, sobrang importante ito. Kailangan namin ng magandang magandang performance muna bago kami pumasok ng quarterfinals. Siyempre, kailangan mas maboost yung moral namin. And siyempre, kailangan mas marami pa kaming i-improve. Sa last 2 games namin, kailangan mas ma-execute na namin to before kami pumasok ng quarterfinals. So, malaking tulong sa amin to na kailangan, to be honest, kailangan may panalo talaga namin. Pipilitin namin may panalo tong last 2 games namin before mag-quarters.
For Coach and Jack, next game will be against Galleries. Galleries is known to have good defense talaga. So, how will these kinds of games help you guys heading into that match?
Para sa amin, ano talaga kailangan humaba yung pasensya namin. Yun lang talaga yung maging isang puhulan namin dahil actually, hindi lang Galleries lahat. Even yung kalaban namin kanina, grabe yung floor defense. So, isa yung sa nagiging challenge sa amin yung kapag medyo naiinip na kami, gusto na namin talagang puntos agad, pero hindi siya madaling gawin ngayon, especially ngayong tournament na to. Grabe yung mga teams, grabe yung floor defense, even yung blockings talaga, ang ganda na rin ng nagiging result. So, patience lang talaga sa lahat ng gagawin namin. And yung siguro yung mastery dun sa mga movement ng team kasi yun yung kailangan na namin gawin. Especially, papunta na kami sa quarterfinals.
Same, kasi nagiging tougher na yung competition talaga each game. Tapos going nga sa playoffs, syempre lahat ng team gustong makaangat, gustong matalo. And wala talaga mahinang team ngayon. Lahat pwedeng matalo yung isa't isa. So, siguro looking forward na lang kami na yun nga, ma-perfect namin yung, kung mas magpo-focus siguro kami sa amin, sa team namin, para kung ano man yung kailangan namin gawin para matalo yung team. More on focus talaga kami sa team namin, sa emotional, yun nga yung patience, and kasi yung skills andun naman andun yung skills. More on sa kung paano namin nako-control, nakaka-redeem every game. Tulad nga nung natalo kami, medyo na low moral ng unti, pero ang pinakamahalaga talaga kung paano namin mariredeem ulit yung sarili namin, yung sinasabi ni Coach, kasi alam naman namin kung paano maglaro yung isa't isa, and pag na-perfect na namin yun, kung paano yun namin ano tawag dito, paano namin i-game plan yung every next, kasi iba-iba naman yung technique kasi ng every team so aral lang talaga and sunod sa game plan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Dala mo?
Hindi, nakita ko lang. Alam ko may ko to
Kala ko nga sa'yo.
Slow now to understand.